I found the perfect trading strategy after losing $100,000 trading Forex, of course from my feeling of funding challenges, and $15,000 in trading stock. I blew so many accounts and losing shit tons of money. The reason why I want to go over these is because I want you to learn from my mistakes. The good news is that you don't have to go through the same painful experience as me. It took me more than 2 years of painful experience before becoming profitable after making so many stupid mistakes. In this video, I'll help you to become a profitable trader a lot faster by learning from my mistakes, my experience, and apply all the lessons in your trading. And the perfect strategy is to watch this video until the very end. Number 1, get education first. Looking back when I started trading, I have no idea what I was doing. I have no proper education. I started live trading after just watching some videos on YouTube, and I took my first live trade and I lost 50 pounds because I follow someone blindly on the social media without doing my own research or doing my own studies. That was almost 50% of my starting capital. That's actually crazy if you think about it. Let's imagine if I'm trading $100,000 account, 50% of my capital, that will be $50,000 in one single trade. There are so many free resources on the internet. You can learn from my videos and also so many other videos on YouTube. Doesn't matter, it's price action, indicators, smart money concepts, shark patterns, star patterns, moon pattern. Doesn't matter what kind of strategies. There are so many free resources. You have no excuses. Now is the best time to learn trading as a new skills because with all the craziness going on around the world, we have higher inflation, rising prices.
That the only way they can try to pull down inflation is to carry on raising interest rates.
We're going to see rising rates.
Rising interest rates that will make the cost of borrowing go up.
Companies are cutting jobs. You never know when you will lose your jobs in this uncertain world. It is always the best to invest in yourself, in your education, because you can never go broke by investing in yourself, learning a new skill. Initially, I also got lucky and won a few trades. This gave me a false sense of achievement, thinking that I was getting better in trading, but I wasn't. I went on to take on more trades and lost even more money without any proper risk management, which brings me to my second point. Learn to use proper risk management in the market before you even think about making any money or getting any results. Risk management is very crucial to protect your capital and to maximize your return. You will lose. It is unavoidable. That's why identify and set a limit to your stop loss, to your losses, and to your risk. Best traders are master of being a great loser in the market because losses are the only thing that we can control in the market. Everyone wants to make $1 million in one trade. Unless you have hundreds of millions in capital, you are over leveraging, and that's super dangerous. That's how I blew my accounts by risking too much more than I can chew. Your ultimate goal is to grow your capital very slowly and steadily in the market, which brings me to my third point. Stop rushing. Don't rush into the trade because of FOMO, fear of missing out. Never rush your education, your learning process. Don't rush in making the money and getting the result. Basically, don't rush with anything. Let's take a deep breath and accept the fact that great things take time. You cannot skip any steps in trading. You have to learn to walk before you start running. You have to learn about candlesticks before studying price action. I see this all the time, that new people come into the market thinking that they can master trading in 1 or 2 weeks, which make no sense at all. I mean, seriously, which industry let you walk in and you become an expert immediately and start racking in the dough? Come on, let's be realistic. Trading or any other professions or any other industry take times and practice to be really good at it. It's not like you can snap your finger and suddenly you can become a pro. Just look at doctors. You have to go to school for a solid of 6 years, then do a couple more years in training before they can call themselves real doctors. So give it time, keep practicing, and you'll start seeing the progress. Number 4, get comfortable being alone and stop relying on signal services. When I started trading, I joined so many communities because I want to surround myself with like-minded people. Subconsciously, I was afraid. I was afraid of being wrong. I was afraid that I might be analyzing the market in the wrong direction. I seek validation from others. I want some approval of my ability to analyze the market. Don't get me wrong, I don't mean to never join any community at all. If you're a new, complete beginner, it's always good to start with a community to kickstart your trading journey. Once you get better and outgrow your environment, it's always good to become more independent and rely more on yourself. Because trading rely heavily on your own decisions, the rest are just noise. When I rely on others, I will start doubting myself when I don't see the market the way others see the market. This brings me to my point number 5. Stop doubting. When I started trading, I constantly find myself feeling regretful, feeling that I'm constantly putting myself down. Nothing I'm doing is working and really doubting if this is something that I can really achieve. I got caught up in a cycle of mixed emotions. If I win, I will feel happy, accomplished, and fulfilled. And if I lose, I started doubting myself, even questioning my strategies, and even questioning my own abilities, whether if I'm able to achieve the goals and dreams that I set for myself. Lastly, never jump around. Focus on one thing. Just focus on one thing. Focus on that one trading strategy, one trading system. Doesn't matter if it is indicators, smart money concepts, price action, shark patterns, moon patterns, star patterns, whatever patterns that you're trading. Focus on that one trading strategies, one trading plan. I've seen so many people are making money from different style of trading. Ultimately, find something that works for you and something that you can understand. The mistake that I make is that I will binge watch all the YouTube videos, jumping from one video to another video, jumping from one strategy to another strategy, thinking that I will find that perfect strategy and never reflect on my own, never reflect on my actions, and thinking that the strategy was the one that wasn't working. At first, I started with trading indicators using moving averages, and now I chose smart money concept because after testing out so many strategies and systems, this is something that I can understand. This is something that makes the most sense to me, and I love it because I can keep my chart as clean as possible. I understand that smart money concepts or ICT concepts, whatever you want to name it, demand supply has been very popular, has been very hot very recently. It doesn't mean that you must force yourself to learn it. Find something that works for you, stick with it for at least 1 to 2 years before changing your strategy completely. The mistake I made early on my trading journey is that 1 week I'll be trading indicators, another week I'll be trading price action, and the next week I'll be learning and trading smart money concept. End of the day, I become master of none. By chasing so many rabbits, end of the day, I catch no rabbits at all. Focus, focus, focus is the key secret to becoming a successful trader. You will know that you found a perfect trading strategy when you found a trading system that aligns with your understanding, with your personality, and the available time that you are able to trade. Now is the best time of the year to reflect and to prepare a new year and a fresh beginning. I hope that you can learn something from this video and from my mistakes. If you are new to smart money concepts, ICT concepts, check out this video to learn more about the technical analysis that you need before learning smart money concept. Keep on learning, take massive action, and you are closer than you think.